Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Craft. Sorry for being a little late this morning, but there's so much going on. So, the carryover list and the retiring list for the autumn-winter catalogue has been published, and I'm going to do a very quick walkthrough of what's staying, what's going, and what's coming back later. I'll pick that up when we get to the first item. So, we have got... Always helps, of course, if you... Oh, I have remembered. Right, so, Twelve Tidings. Most of it is going. There are some discounts, so the stamps, the two stamp sets are 20% off. The ribbon is 20% off. The gift wrap is 40% off. The designer series paper will be going at the end of this catalogue, but coming back next autumn-winter. There's a theme, just to let you know. So there are some items that are going to go into hibernation at the beginning of January and will then come back when the new autumn-winter catalogue comes out. The all-around wreath dies I cannot find anywhere on either the retiring list or the carryover list, and for carryover list I include the ones that are coming back. Don't know what's happening about those. I will let you know as soon as I know. So, Designer Spirit Series paper coming back. Both stamp sets are going. Obviously the bundle is going. Okay, the stitched star dies are carrying over. The stamp set isn't. If you like the stamp set and you want the dies, then please do get the bundle before the end of... Well, as quickly as you can, frankly. Christmas Crowd is going. Now, do remember that when things are listed as going, they will go potentially quite quickly. Perfectly Plaid stamp set and punch are carrying over. The bundle obviously won't, because they never do. So if you want these, get it at the bundle price as quickly as you can. The gold pizza box is carrying over. The Jingle Bells are going into hibernation, so coming back next autumn-winter. The DSP and the ribbon are going. So, stamp set carrying over, designer series paper not. Beautiful Bows will carry over, but the bundle won't. So if you want the Beautiful Bows or the Peaceful Bows bundle, get it now. The Delicata we know is going. The Christmas Layers and the Itty Bitty Christmas are staying, they're carrying over, but the bundle won't be. So if you want those and you want both, get the bundle. None of the Bells Are Ringing is carrying over. Let It Snow, the Snowman Seasons stamps and punch are carrying over. The bundle isn't, so if you want those, get them now. Mini Keepsake is carrying over. The stamp set, none of the rest on this page is carrying over, so nothing of the Let It Snow suite other than the Snowman stamp set and Builder Punch and the Mini Keepsake are carrying over. I'm so pleased that's carrying over. So the DSP is going, the stamp set's staying, that stamp set's going, the bundle's going. Elfie is going and is discounted. Yummy Christmas and Playful Penguins are going. All of the Night Before Christmas suite is going. The Memories and More cards and envelopes are reduced by 20% to $8.20, as are the dies reduced. I haven't done the maths yet, but I would say getting these two separately will be cheaper than the bundle price at the moment if you want both, because the dies, 20% off the dies would be £6. So I would say that that's going to be more than the discount on the bundle, so that's going. The Moose Punch and Merry Moose stamp set will be going into hibernation, so they will be coming back next autumn. If you want them at a discount, get them now, assuming the Moose Punch is in stock, because there have been issues with the Moose Punch being in stock. Peace on Earth is discounted but going. God's Peace is going. Stitch Brightly dies are going but are discounted. Light and Peace is going. If you want the bundle, don't get the two stamp sets, the two items, because this is 30% off. Okay, Brightly Gleaming. The Stamp and Punch Duo will be going into hibernation. The designer series paper that has been out of stock for so long will be coming back next autumn winter as well. Hammered metal embossing folder is carrying over, as are the star elements. The ribbon and the foil elements are going. The bundle is going, so if you want these, although they're coming back, get them now while they're discounted. So those are carrying over to the next autumn winter, hibernation. The acetate's going, Memories of Home's going, the Cup of Christmas is going, Everything is Festive is going and is discounted by 40%. Got Valentine in there, so do think of that. The Christmas cheer dies, the Cup of Cheer dies are carrying over, as are the basic pattern decorative masks. Some of you will have had that from me as a gift. The tag kit is going but is discounted by 30%, so if you get it now, you will have time to make them for your Christmas this year. Christmas Countdown stamp set is going, but the Christmas Countdown project kit will be back next autumn, as will the Most Wonderful Time. Okay, Feels Like Frost. Paper will be going into hibernation and coming back next autumn. Seaside Spray Metallic Ribbon is carrying over. Everything else is going. Oh, apart from the Shimmering Crystal effect, which is carrying over. So carry over, hibernation, everything else is going. I'm sorry the ice glitter's going because I like that a lot. So hibernation going. Carrying over Snow Globe and Still Scenes, but the bundle price isn't. So if you want them, get it now. Snowflake Sequins will be coming back next autumn. The Shaker Domes are carrying over. When I say carrying over, I mean they are definitely carrying over until the beginning of June. They may not be in the annual catalogue, but they will be available in the next few months. Free Skate bundle and stamp set and everything is going. Snowfront is staying, yay, as in carrying over. The Gather Together and Gathered Leaves will be coming back next autumn, but the bundle price won't be. I'm suggesting the bundle price won't be. Generally, if things come back in a later catalogue, they don't come back at the bundle price. So, yep. Come to Gather Ribbon Combo is discounted and isn't carrying over, nor is the designer series paper. Tags and Feather Elements are not carrying over and are discounted. So going, coming back next autumn. Harvest Hellos will be carrying over, but the bundle won't. So we've got the Apple Builder Punch and the Harvest Hellos will be carrying over. Birds of a Feather going. The Every Season Punch Pack is discounted to $17.60, but will go. The bundle obviously will go, as is the To Every Season, which is also discounted. Please do not get the bundle. If you want these, get them as individual items. Beauty and Joy is going. Monster Bash. Okay, so the only thing that is staying is the ornate frame dies. Do you remember I told you they were going to carry over when I first showed them to you? And they are. Everything else is going. There's a lot of discount though. The Stylish Scroll is discounted, as is the black ribbon, the Monster Bash shapes and the coffin treat boxes, discounted. So going. The black stamping dimensionals are carrying over. Yay! The Wicked dies are discounted by 30% before they go. If you want the bundle, please don't get the bundle. Get the two individual items. It will save you money. Tags, and the trio of tags will carry over. The bundle won't. So if you want those, get them now. And there's Valentine's, so really great. Boo to You is going. The googly eyes are going, and I love those for the Get Well. Oh, can't remember what it's called in the annual catalogue. Back on Your Feet. Love them for Back on Your Feet, but they're going, and they're discounted to just £3.85. From Our House to Yours is going, and I like that a lot. Sip Sip Hooray, really sad that's going. I've only just started using it for New Year. Cheers to that going. Cheers Dies going. Cheers to that bundle going. So if you want those, get them now. Holiday rhinestones carrying over. Yay! Obviously the Sip Sip Hooray bundle is going, and the dies, etc. going. Seasonal wreaths going. This one will do for non-Christmas, so do think about that. Obviously the host sets are going, so if you want them you need to put your order in for £150 or more. Be a Difference Maker, the Nature's Beauty, is staying. I thought it would go and it's staying. So, as I say, really quick dash through the catalogue. I have already posted links to the to my online store with all this detailed. I will now post this video as well with a slightly longer covering post, and then I'll be back to normal again tomorrow. Fingers crossed, touching wood hard. Thank you very much indeed, and I will see you again very soon. Okay, bye. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to shop, the link is in my description, in the description bar below. If you don't already subscribe and would like to, please click the subscribe button. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And I think that's everything.